All right, guys. So last week, especially during Zoom meeting, we have half of the turnout. Very good, guys. And then please, if you don't see your classmate there, let them know that we have Zoom meeting every Thursday or Friday. But this week, it's gonna be only Thursday. Check the date I post on your Google Classroom, because Friday is spring break. I don't think you want to get online and listen to me lecture you. So we are gonna meet up just Thursday. Chemistry class from 12:30 to 2 o'clock. So during the Zoom meeting last week, and also you are going to have a quiz Tuesday or Wednesday on solubility, saturation, and solution percent. However, when we're dealing with percentage before, we're talking about the mass of solute over mass of solution. Percent is mass of solute. The mass of solution. However, we know that when we're doing chemical reaction, we you have to have balanced chemical reaction. And in order to the balance is not balancing the mass, it's balancing the mole of solution. Just like if we have 2% NaCl, okay? It will be very different than 2% of the example here, CsCl. Reason why is because the molar mass or the mole amount of sodium chloride is different than this. Okay, even though they may have the same percentage, but the mole, the amount of molecule that's in the solution are different. So when we're actually doing the chemical reaction, the percent solution will not give us much information or help us to do the calculation of reaction. What matter is what we call molarity. So what is molarity? Molarity is the molarity of a solution, abbreviation is big capitalized M, is the number of mole. It's the number of mole of solution dissolved in 1 liter, not milliliter, but 1 liter of solution. To calculate the molarity of solution, you have to have the mole of solute and then the liter of solution. Okay, remember, just like the percent, the volume in liter is solution, no solvent. Solution means the volume of entire thing. The solute plus solvent, like sugar plus water, not just water. Okay? So it's very straightforward, and we have the formula. Now we can calculate the molarity and do some word problems. Let me demonstrate. A solution is prepared to dissolve 42.23 gram of NH4Cl, ammonium chloride, into enough water to make 500 ml of solution. Calculate its molarity. So every time you have your question, you have to write down first your given. Okay? So first, your given, your mole, your mass of ammonium chloride is 42.23 2.23 gram. And then the total amount you make 500 ml of solution, right? So the volume of solution is 500 ml. However, okay, now let's take a look at the formula. We're looking for molarity. Big M equal to mole of the solvent, mole of NH4Cl, ammonium chloride, over liter of solution. Okay, do we have mole here? No, we don't. We only have mass, which is in gram. Do we have liter here? No, we don't. We have milliliter. So that means if we can convert the mass, to mole and convert mil to liter, we're set, right? You just have to plug in number. So let's do it step by step. Let's convert the mass to mole. So you have, remember we set up our conversion table, 42.23 gram. You start with that. Okay, so you're converting that to mole, so you put 1 mole of NH4Cl on top. And then the bottom, you put your molar mass. So 1 mole of NH4Cl is how many gram of NH4Cl? You have to use a periodic table. So it's 53.5 gram. All right, and then you use 42.23 divided by 50.5 is 0.7893 mole. All right, wonderful. Now we have the mole of solute. Now we have to convert the ml to liter. So you start with 500 ml. Okay, and you convert that to liter. The larger unit is 1, so liter is larger. And then the difference between milliliter to liter is 1,000. So you get 0.5 liter. Now you have both numbers. All you have to do is plug in into your formula. This, replace that, and this, replace that, and then your answer is shown in the question, 1.579 molarity. That means you have 1.579 mole per liter of that water. There is another example, and then there is the calculation shown here. He was doing one-step calculation to convert the mole to liter and then convert the gram to mole in one step. But if you can do one step, go ahead and do one step. If you have to break it down like what I did, go ahead and do that. All right, once you get your answer, you want to round it to 3 or 4 sig fig with correct unit. So that ends our molarity, and please do the worksheet accordingly as your homework.